So in this video you are going to learn how to draw the diagram for the y equal to sine 1 by 3x. So first write the period of the sine 1 by 3x. So overall the first circle we have 360 degree, then we can write as 2 pi divided by the coefficient of x here. What is that, right? 1 by 3. Suppose here 7x is there, you can write 2 pi by 7. Suppose we have 4x is there, 2 pi divided by 4. So here coefficient of x is 1 by 3, so divided by 1 by 3. If we take the reciprocal, it becomes a 2 pi into 3 by 1, it becomes 6 pi. So I already told 0 to 6 pi. So period is 0 to 6 pi and write 6 pi. Then what is the amplitude, the maximum height? So what is the coefficient of sin x here? Here 1 is there. Suppose I given minus sin x or don't worry about negative, just the numerical word alone. Here coefficient is 1, so that maximum height is 1. So actually you can after substitute the value from the diagram able to find this value. But before that we can able to understand, if suppose I given 3 sin x 1 by something, the 3 is the amplitude. The maximum height is 3 will come. Okay. So the amplitude is 1. Now how to draw the diagram? If we take x, we want limit 0 to 6 pi. X we are taking. Take x equal to, so 0 to 6 pi. So in between you have to know the value when that y will be, the line, the curve will be intersect the x axis at what place. So you find 1 by 1. Now instead of x, substitute 0, what is the y value? Take here we have y equal to sine 1 by 3x. Substitute when x equal to 0. Then y equal to sine 1 by 3 into 0. It becomes sine 0. So sine 0 value is 0. So when x equal to 0, sine value is 0. Next we are going to find 3 pi by 2. So instead of x I am going to substitute 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2. Substitute 3 pi by 2. What is the value of x? Now substitute the same. We take x equal to 3 pi by 2. Then y equal to sine of 1 by 3 into 3 pi by 2. So 3 eliminate. Okay. Then we have sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is 1. So pi by 2 is 90 degree. That's important. So what is the meaning? Pi by 2 is 90 degree. Here 1 pi represent the 180 degree. So pi by 180 by 2 become 90 degree. So sine pi by 2 or sine 90 degree is 1. Right, y value is equal to 1. Like that, next we find again it goes up to 1 again and touch the x axis. Where it will be intersect the x axis. So substitute, we select 90, x equal to 9 pi. We select x equal to 9 pi. When x equal to 9 pi, okay. Then y equal to sine 1 by 3 into 9 pi. So 3 eliminate, it become on the 3 pi will come. So sine 3 pi value is 0. Sine multiples of 3 pi. Sine multiples of n pi, maybe odd number or even number, multiple by entire term become a 0 only. So when instead of x substitute 9 pi, then y become a 0. Next you want to find where again we'll get at the lower level. So I am going to substitute maybe 9 pi by 2. Substitute 9 pi by 2 instead of x. Substitute 9 pi by 2. So 9 pi by 2, what is y value? So y equal to sine 1 by 3 into 9 pi by 2. 3 eliminate become a sine 3 by 2 will come. So sine 3 by 2 value is minus 1. So already we have videos there regarding how to find this value. I am saying minus 1. So already it is there. So directly I am writing the value. Sine 3 by 2 value is minus 1. So then sine 3 by 2 we can write as a sine 180 plus 90. This is a sine 3 by 2. So sine 180 plus 90. So deceleration third quadrant. Third quadrant is only tan and cot is a positive. So sine is a negative. 180 no need to change the ratio. Same will come. So sine 90. So minus 1. This is the reason sine 3 by 2 equal to minus 1. So when instead of x substitute 9 by 2, we get the value minus 1 if our y term. Next, what is the value of 6 pi? Next, substitute the 6 pi. So when 6 pi, instead of x substitute 6 pi, instead of x 6 pi, then y equal to sine 1 by 3 into 6 pi. 1 3 is 2 to this 6, so we get sine 2 by, so sine 2 by value is 0. So instead of x substitute 6 pi, the values become 0. That's enough. This 5 point enough to draw the diagram. So take x axis and y axis. X and y. Okay. Now we have maybe start with 0. Take pi and 2 by 3 by 4 by 6 pi. So we have maximum until we take as a 6 pi. Now instead of between, what is that? Pi by 2 is there. So 2 pi by 2 only, it became a pi. So understand, then what is will come here? 3 pi by 2 will come. This is what 4 pi by 2 only, 2 pi. So here what will come? 4 pi by 2, here 5 pi by 2. Here it becomes 7 pi by 2. Here 9 pi by 2. Here 11 pi by 2. Then 6 pi by 2. It goes like that. So come to the point, we have 0, 0. If write as a point, we can write as a 0, 0. And 3 pi by 2, 1. 9 pi, 0. 9 pi by 2, minus 1. Then 6 pi, 0. This is the coordinate. If you take here 1, then you can take as a minus 1 in y value. This is 0, 0. First origin 0, 0. When x is 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2. Y is 1. So mark the point here 1. Then x is 9 by. Where is the 9 pi? 9 by, substitute 9 by. Instead of 9 pi, you can substitute 3 by. So okay, 9 is more than the 6 pi. Better you can take here 3 by. So what is the value of 3 by? So y equal to sine 1 by 3 into 3 by. So 3 cancel, become a sine by. So sine by value is 0. So instead of 9 by, take 3 by. So it's easy to mark because it's out of 6 pi. I didn't notice that. So take 3 by. So 3 by value is 0. This is 3 by and y value is 0. Lies on the x axis. So 3 by, 0. Next we have 9 pi by 2. It is a 9 pi by 2 point. And y term is minus 1. This is a minus 1. So mark here. Minus 1. Then again 6 pi is 0. Just join all the points. We get the diagram of sine 1 by 3. Go like that. So simple to draw the diagram. This is a way to draw the diagram of y equal to sine 1 by 3x.